As you can see there, this is the nighttime footage on the Blurams outdoor pro security camera. You can see how clear that is. The little bike there, my daughter's bike, if I zoom in there, you can see, look at that. Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Blurams outdoor pro security camera. This was very kindly sent out to me by Blurams. Thank you, Blurams. Okay, let's have a quick look at the packaging. As you can see there, works with Amazon Alexa. This is full 1080p HD. It's got some information there about the camera. So 1080p HD, intelligent alerts, night vision, two-way audio, human detection, siren and spotlight, IPX65, weather resistant, so should be okay in most weathers. 129-degree field of view, privacy zone. I will explain more about that in the app when we get to the app. One feature on there that's not listed on here, I think they may have added it in via firmware update or something, but this camera, which I'm excited to try, I have reviewed many cameras on my channel. I will leave links to them in the description box below and pop-up cards throughout the video, but none of the cameras have had this feature. This camera has facial recognition. You can add up to 10 people, and when they come near the camera, it's okay. If it sees a face that's not recognized, which you haven't added into the app, it will send you a push notification. Okay, so let's take it out of his box. Blurams, I like the packaging. Okay, I'll take everything out and then I'll put it on the table. We'll go through what's what. So this is everything that was included inside of the Blurams box. They do also do indoor cameras as well. I will leave a link to this in the description box below if you want to pick it up. Get a power brick, template, so help you mount the camera. You get some screws and some wall plugs. Get a sticker powered by Blurams audio and video surveillance. Put that on your window. Quick start guide. Outdoor Pro, it says there, A21C, explaining what's what. You can download the app by directly going to Google Play or the App Store, or by scanning the code there. Blurams app, QR code there. This little tool, it's to open this little door here on the camera. Let me just open that. It's got a nice seal around there. Your SD card would go in there. Of course, as I mentioned before, it supports up to 128 GBs. Your reset button there. So if you want to reset it, just hold that down for a few seconds, and that does close really securely, that, so you won't get any water or damp in there, so you're okay. Speaker there, of course it does have two-way audio. This, that's your status light, so it will go green and it will go red and then green when it's powered on, everything's working fine, and if there is a problem that would start flashing red. It's got a little spotlight there. Let me just take that off actually, 1 second. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. That's a spotlight, 129-degree field of view lens there, and it's got a little microphone there. It's of course two-way audio, nothing at the top. It's a good build quality, that. And the wire at the back, that's fixed, but you can angle it either way if you like turn it around. And I believe you push this, yeah, it says lock and unlock, so if I push it down, unlock, you can just feed more wire through there if you need it, or of course less. Let me just pull it up into place. All I need to do now is give it some power. I've got my Android phone here. I've just typed in Blurams and the app is getting installed. While that's getting installed, I will connect the camera. Just have a long cable, that. Spotlights come on there, you can see. So I'll need to sign up for an account. So I've successfully signed up for an account now. You can see the camera there, it's flashing red. So start adding your first device. Press. So click on there. It says device configuration. Power on the device, and the red light is flashing, which you can see that is flashing. See the red light flashing. Please enter the Wi-Fi password. So you need to re-enter the Wi-Fi password. I'll just do that off camera again. There we go.
Wi-Fi connection successful.
Okay.
Camera is trying to connect to the server. Configuration is complete. Please wait for the camera online.
Quite fast that. Success. So we're fully connected now. You can see there it says full HD. If I click that, that's standard definition. You could take a picture. You could even start recording. It will save it into the phone. That failed because I pushed the cancel straight away. I've muted that myself because I'm really close to the actual camera and it will echo really bad. If I click that, it will flip the image around. There you go. Turn it back around. There you can see there where it says motion, so that's what it's detected, movement around, and it's been sending me them. At the bottom there it's got an alarm. If I push that, that's loud. That it's 110 decibels, and that talk, of course, you can start talking. So at the top there, if I push the gear cog there, I'll just quickly run you through some of the features there. Device name, I've named it as backyard. Device time, notifications there, motion detection, sound. This is where it's the facial recognition. It will send you, it says rich notification. It will send you the one with a picture. Stop notification, I don't want to do that. So there we go, facial recognition. At the moment, it won't have any yet. It hasn't got any because I've got the camera installed in my backyard. Well, I did have it there, and because it's winter, we're not really going out through that way, so it hasn't seen any faces for it to actually pick them up and put them in there. So hence the reason there's none there. Night vision auto. If you mount it upside down, you can rotate the image around. Device sharing, as I was mentioning before, you could share this device with any of your family members. Privacy zone, oh, this is a good one. It will blur an area out. So say if you've got the camera pointing towards your neighbor's garden and you don't want that part to come in, you could blur that out, but it doesn't actually show you on here, so it's like a guesswork. So if I click on it now and where that areas come up, if I just blur that, it's showing me an image what they've got pre-installed. It's not showing me the live feed. So just say if I want to blur this part, which will be the box on this, if I press save, then I go back, you could see there now it's got a black box around it. But you seen when I was using it, it didn't actually show me the image, so I could have blurred. Just if I want to blur the where it says works with Alexa out, but I can't do that because it's showing me a generic image that they've already got. And if I go back to that privacy zone, delete area, it's deleted now. But it is a good feature that, but I would have liked it if you could actually see what's in front of you rather than just seeing an image and going by that. Status light, so it's got that green light at the front. You could turn that off if you want. Microphone, time zone, anti-flicker and stuff. So that, if I go back out of there, if I back out of this app, at the bottom, library, that's where it's got, click on here, it's got all the notifications there. Backyard, you could go by the day, events, so you could choose which ones you want to do in the motion, sound, human shape, discovery, people. If you click on that, that's just saying you can share the app with your friends and family. Works with Apple Watch, I didn't know that. That's good. And Alexa or OK Google, so it does work with Google as well. I haven't got cloud storage at the moment, and when I press me, that's of course my information on there. The image quality is excellent. I will insert some images. Overall, I'm really impressed with this camera. The image quality is really good. The app is really good. It's easy to use, straightforward, pairing up but easy. All in all, I think it's a great product. So I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick it up. My friends, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.